Everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, in this particular video, I'll discuss about my whole journey related with articleship, where I have given the interview and from where finally I have decided to continue my training and why I leave my first articleship and then join my second articleship. What kind of question they asked me and what you can say that the you can stipend they have offered to me. So in this video I'll each and every aspect related with my articleships I will share with you. Apart from this, you guys also ask me any questions after watching this video. You can you have any questions in your mind, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. Okay, so guys, we are starting the journey related with my articleship. So guys, after completing CMA intermediate, I have given the interview in three CMA forms and in BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. So guys, in CMA form, in one of CMA form I have selected. Okay, so what kind of question asked over the CMA form? So they ask me related, first of all the basic questions remain the same common questions. Tell me about yourself, which is simple. Okay, you just need to deliver your answers, your name, your qualifications. Although in CMA after completing the CMA intermediate, we do not have the practical experience. Okay, so just we need to give the brief about our family background or our you can say that whatever we have studied till now, MCom, BCom. So the second question, he gave me some journal entries. Although the profile is for costing, so he mostly asked the question from me standard costing, you can say marginal costing and budgetary control. Okay, apart from this, he also gave me some journal entries for which I need to prepare entries. Okay, so I have been made all these things correctly. Okay, they do not ask the CMA form do not ask too much. Okay, they know that they have to train you. Okay, they have to give more and more knowledge to you, so they do not ask too much questions in it now. So after 2 or 3 days I'll you can say that I'll receive a mail or you can say that call from CMA form ki yes, you can start your journey. Okay, and within the 1 or 2 days I can say that yes, I have also given the interview in BHELs. Okay, so what kind of question what kind of the you can say the interview process in BHEL. Okay, so in BHEL they required 5 CMA trainee. Okay, out of which the total candidate appear in BHEL interview around 35 to 45. Okay, and my you can say the interview tenure your duration is 15 to 20 minutes. There are 3 panel, one is from HR and 2 is from finance background. Okay, so the HR ma'am Shikha, she did not ask too much questions. Tell me about yourselves, and the location is BHEL sector 142 and I live in Faridabad. So it is around 2.5 one side time it will take. So she asked me, are you comfortable? So I just say yes. It is my humble request to every CMA student, if you are comfortable for each and everything, just say yes. Otherwise, if you are not comfortable, immediately say no. Okay, otherwise you cannot make any excuses ki I'm coming late due to I'm living in far. Okay, it will take 2.5 me. This kind of excuse will not take place while you join the articleship. Okay, so yes, the main two I have already mentioned that 3 interview team member, one is from HR and 2 is from finance background. The finance background the persons ask me too much questions. Rate of depreciation related with PGBP. Okay, they give me some transactions related with journal entries. They also ask me a question rate of return of income, TDS and deductions. Okay, and their main focus is from taxations as well as from finance background. They give me too much entries. Okay, they also ask questions. Please tell me any one your favorite accounting standard. So I give the accounting standard to an inventory. Okay, I'll explain each and every aspect related with AS2. So yes, you have to prepare any one best accounting standard, or nowadays India accounting standard as well as one accounting standard and one is India accounting standard. Okay, yes, they the main core area they are requiring for you can say that for taxation profile as well as for accounts profile. They need 4 CMA trainee. Okay, so the total duration of interviews 15 minutes. They ask me related with you can say that your favorite accounting standard, deduction questions from deductions, return of income and TDS. Okay, apart from this they are also asking me some questions so I can deliver. Apart from this, they will also ask me Excel questions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP and pivot table and subtotal and SUMIF. So these kind of questions they ask me in CMA interview, and I know these all answers. Okay, each and everything I have learned from YouTube. Okay, so VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, SUMIF, subtotal or pivot table, I have given all the answers of these questions. Okay, yes, and some of the questions for which I do not know the answers, I clearly say that ki I do not know the answers. That is why again and again my suggestion to those candidates, if you do not know the answers, just do not try to confuse the interviewer. Okay, interviewer is more knowledgeable. Okay, he has already taken so much interviews, so we need not to become a smart. Okay, or we are just trying to become over smart ki so we do not try such kind of things. Okay, just clearly say that ki I do not know the answers. Okay, it will be more beneficial for you. Okay, so finally I have one option, one you can say that opportunity from CMA firm, which is located in Lakshmi Nagar, and they are offering 3,000 as a stipend. On the other hand, I have after a few days, I have also received a mail from BHEL. Yes, you have been selected and you can start your own journey, and you need to submit your documents. So I have I was confusing, and that time there is no one who can guide me. Okay, in today's scenario, many CMA qualified are making videos on YouTube, and they are helping to CMA trainee, CMA students. But that time no one is you can say that guiding us. So in the present scenario, I'll also suggest always suggest go with the you can say that CMA firm, but no one is guiding me. So I have decided to go with the BHEL. So what kind of you can say that I have learned over BHEL. So BHEL, they required 5 candidates, out of which only 2 you can say that joined. Okay, so 3 do not join, or they managed with 2 join, because in BHEL already they have one CMA trainee. Okay, so finally CMA Pradeep Dhyani, CMA Samar, and CMA Dhananjay has joined. You can say they are working in BHELs. Okay, so what kind of work done by me? So I read out all the conditions of purchase order. I'll make the invoices. Apart from this, issuing DS2, and I have also helping senior finance manager, you can say Sanjay Makhija. I have also helped in his work. Okay, apart from this, you can say the issuing of DS2 or recording of all invoices. So apart from this, I have also helped you can say that sometime I also help Samarjit in recording of all the you can say that medical insurance bill and reimbursement bill. Okay, so apart from this, in PSUs, each and every everyone know that in PSU we learn anything, yes or no, but we can assure that we learn how to operate a photocopy machine. So yes, in BHL I have also learned how to operate photocopy machines. Okay, at that time Samar and me are also not happy with Articleship. So we have decided that during our time, after completing 6 months, you can give both group. Okay, so we have decided to leave the total tenure of BHL training is 9 months, but we have decided after 6 months we are not continuing BHL training. Okay, so yes, after 6 months, me and Samar have left the BHLs. Okay, 8,000 they are offering the stipend. Okay, now come to Samar is focused on preparing for financials. Apart from this, after leaving BHL, I have decided to start my own, you can say that, on new Articleship. So I have joined a private organization, which is known as Vedanta Polychem Private Limited, which is located in Nehru Place. Okay, so they offer me 13,000. What kind of question they have asked me? So they give me some practical questions like inventory turnover ratio, gross profit ratio, sales profit ratio. So these kind of practical questions they have asked me, and yes, I can easily solve. Apart from this, they ask me question related with depreciation. They give me some transaction for which I need to make the journal entries. The interview is okay and well. Okay, so they offered me 13,000. I have joined. I worked there over 1 year. So half an year total Articleship I did. And in Vedanta Polychem Limited, I can say that I learned too much things. The recording of sale invoices, purchase invoices, how to each and everything, advanced Excel, Tally, QuickBooks. So 2 software I have learned over there, Tally and QuickBooks. I already told in many videos that I never buy any Excel course, Tally course, or any other software. Each and everything I have learned from you can say the currently job and from my Articleships. Okay, so I never bought any Excel course, any Tally course or QuickBooks. So yes, in Vedanta Polychem Private Limited, I have learned too many things. Maintaining all the commission detail of marketing person, their reimbursement or expense detail, issuing of DS2, maintaining and you can say coordinating the factory regarding dispatch of material, how to communicate with the onshore team. So these kind of things I have learned over in private organization, which I can never learn from the PSU. That is why to each and every student, my suggestion to you should join the private organization or CMA firm. Here I have learned advanced Excel, Tally, QuickBooks, okay, and how to maintain GSTR 3B data. So these kind of things I have learned from Vedanta Polychem Private Limited, and yes, I was satisfied with my you can say that this Vedanta Polychem Private Limited Articleship. So my suggestion to every CMA student should join any private organization or CMA firm. Okay, so hope you understand from my articleships. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. Apart from this, in future I will also bring such kind of videos, so you also get some benefited from my side. That's all about in this video. Bye guys.